Okay, this is the last one. There's one example on this video, and we're going to do the change. We haven't used the change of base formula, so I wanted to do one example of the change of base formula. Practical example. And you can use this to check some of your answers from earlier on in the chapter when you had weird bases, not 10 and not E. You just I convert everything to ln, especially if I'm writing it down, because ln is faster to write than log. But also because I've done a lot of calculus, and so ln tends to be the thing to use. So here's an example. Evaluate log base 5 of 3. Now if I said evaluate log base 5 of 25, I would just write 25 as 5 squared. Log base 5 of 5 squared would be 2, see? But 3, how do you write that as a power of 5? Well, it would have to have a log base 5 in it, so it wouldn't help. So you want to convert this log base 5 to either log, which is log base 10, or ln, which is log base e, and then estimate it to 3 decimal places. And you have to know to do that. But that's not too hard to figure out because you don't have a log base 5 on your calculator. If you don't comprehend that, ooh, you're in trouble. So I just used log. Why not? So it's log of 3 over log of the base, which is 5. So I just take log 3 divided by log 5, and I get approximately that to 3 decimal places. Now, you might ask yourself, but what if I wanted to use ln instead? Won't that give me a different answer? And the answer is no, it doesn't. It gives you the exact same answer. Okay? It has to, because they're both equal to log base 5 of 3, which is definitely a single number. Turns out the same. Try it. Put it on your calculator and check it out. Comes out exactly the same. In fact, I could use log base 2. I just would have a hard time evaluating it unless I had a calculator that did. There are some calculators that'll do different bases, and I've had students tell me that they used them in high school. I think that's kind of lame to use it in high school, to be honest. If you're a college student and you're using it in an engineering class, that's perfectly fine. But using it in high school is just using it like a crutch. I'm sorry. Pet peeves. That's it for that section, right? So just one example. Those examples can't get any harder, really. That's all they ask you to do with them. So that's it.